how to buy LOLZZ token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 2 hours ago and it increased by 600% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 8 in this one section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your front mind. For that, now click on swap. Make sure that you have enough so on wallet. Now click here and paste the token address into search bar. So click on your token. Now click on understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token. Here you will be able to see it on next to that token. To select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider, select Jupiter for example. Now click on apply, go back, and here you can click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy LOLZZ token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.